Hi, everybody. It's Brian yet again. Third video today. I love this new technology I'm using to stream videos on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So we're going to talk about setups for forex today. I don't do a lot of forex. I did a video just previously on basically basically talking about crypto and the reasons why I love crypto. Well, today we're going to talk about forex. There's some very interesting things going on in forex, and let me show them to you. So right now you're looking at the motive wave, and here's our typical charts. Before I forget, I want to make sure I do a scan. Last time I didn't do a scan as I should have in my crypto video. And what we're going to do is going to do some calls for this video for forex over the next 12 hours, let's say, once the forex markets open up in Asia. So typically what I like to do is I like to do a scan. Actually, I'm looking at the wrong. So here we are on forex. Finally got forex here. All right. So with that in mind, I can go over to my scanner here. I can scan harmonics, and we are about to do that. Let's see here. Okay, so we've got our scanner. I am pressing the wrong. Here, I know what I can do. I can get rid of this window. That will save me some confusion. All right. Better, yeah. Okay. So we have our good old motive wave here. Let's do a scan. So as I said, we have a webinar tomorrow on VWAP. I've already done a demo on it in 2 videos ago on YouTube. So you can, let me just put that back up, quantlabs.net/webinar to go there to get the scheduling, where to go to get that info. I'm looking at doing a lot more mean reversions, higher probability of profit mean reversion. VWAP is a good classic mean reverting strategy for that. So let's talk about scanning. So we have this capability in motive wave I've talked about. I try to keep things simple. Right now, I think I have my scanner, just going to fire it up right now, 30 instruments to pick off for this. So right now I'm only testing for longing. Longing's a lot easier than shorting. I'm just a lot more conservative that way. We'll just leave it at that. Okay, so we're waiting for the scanner to finish up. And what we want to see is we have our price action along here. We want to see our target D, which is our projected move, higher than the price. So what we can do is we look for excellent scores with the scans. So I've been getting a lot of Australian plays lately. I don't know why that is. Maybe the economy is better in Australia. I know it's hotter over there because of the fires. And let's see what we have here. So we have, this is a short opportunity. That's another short opportunity. So this is projected to come down. These 3, Australian, Canadian, Australia, Japan, Australia, USD. It's going to come down. So these are short. So as I said, I'm not really interested. Canada and Japan coming down. Canada. Okay, so we have Canada and Swiss franc going up. So that might be one I might definitely add. And then we also have the Euro USD. That's a short. Euro Japan short. US Canadian. Let me just check that. So this is projected to go up. You can see here, target level D is exactly what I want. So this is another good one to add to the pile. So let me add that. So we're talking USD Canadian. So let me clear out these charts here. Okay, I'm going to clear these out. Now, I'm still fairly new to to Motive Wave. So there's so many features in Motive Wave. It's crazy. So I'm going to do is I'm going to make that chart available. So that is USD Canadian. So I will make the templates available. It's already moving up as of, so this is looking good. So this might be another good opportunity here. There was another one. I was at the Canadian. There's two. Let's see. It was a Canadian. Yeah, and there was a Canadian CHF as well. So I'll throw that in as well. Okay. Okay. So CHF. I don't deal with any of the exotics. I'm just not interested in the spread costs and all that. That sort of thing doesn't really do a lot for me, to be honest. Okay, so we're at USD, Japan yen, not doing too good there. This looks like a good pair to trade, US dollar, Denmark, but I don't think I'd trade that. And then we get some other really cool ones that can come up in the very good. Australia, New Zealand, that looks pretty good, so I'll add that. And again, we're just using simple harmonics here, and I find them much more reliable than the Elliott. So let's see here. Oh, no. All right, so we want scanning. We have a bunch of Australia. Again, that's a good short, though. Euro and Canadian, that's a short. Euro, Norwegian, British pound, those are shorts. This is a good pair. Actually, a lot of people might not know, but the US, Mexico is really good. Euro, Canadian, I don't know. We'll just leave it at that. So what we have right now added to the charts here, we've got three. We've got US, Canadian, we have Canadian CHF, and the Australian New Zealand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the usual template on this. Okay. Beautiful. And then we can do save the chart to all of you analytic members. Canadian CHF, same will be applied. And then what we do is save the chart, boom. And the Australian New Zealand dollar as well, we can definitely add in there as well and get that chart working. So those are just the scans. So these are just simple scans that we looked at. So if I go into the charts here under each pair, well, we can do a watch list. I know that. Okay, here we are. So these are what we had earlier put on. You can see here we had an entry for the British pound against the Australian dollar. Did okay. Euro, Australia dollar, it still looks like that can be still traded. The Australian dollar. So these are potentials. So let's go through this. This is the last market updates. I don't see any activity. It's all down. Nothing is up. That is rare. And then we get into our charts. So that's the setup. So let me repeat what we got here. So we have USD against Canadian, Canadian against CHF, Australian against New Zealand. I'm going to get rid of this one. The USD against the Swiss franc. I mean, these entries looking good. And then we got across here, British pound against the Australian, euro against the Australian, and the British pound against the Australian. I think these are going to open, close. They're going to close. Well, they'll go down according to the scans. So just for experimentation, I'm going to keep these open. So that's pretty well it. If you got any questions, let me know. Again, I'll be doing a webinar tomorrow on VWAP. Just go to quantlabs.net/webinar for that. If you're interested in these sort of things, I got a lot of trading, well, 2 trading books available at quantlabs.net/book. And lastly, we have a new DVD I just kind of did about 2 weeks ago that'll walk you through MotiveWave, the programming of MotiveWave, as well as the trading bots that I use in Python. So you can go over there for quantlabs.net/DVD. If you have any comments, let me know. And we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks for watching. If there's no comments, I can move over to terminate the call or terminate the video stream. Again, I'll repeat these. I'm going to leave on the British pound against the Australian dollar, euro against the Australian dollar, British pound against the Australian dollar. And that's from Friday. And then from the scanning reports, we've got, looks like the Canadian dollar, US against the Canadian dollar, Canadian against the Swiss franc, and the Australian against the New Zealand. So we'll leave it at that. The US against the Swiss franc as well. These pairs tell me that we are in defense mode. So we'll leave it at that. So thanks for watching, and no comments. Other than that, thanks for watching. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.